Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and joining me from lithium explorer Lake Resources is Managing Director Steve Promnitz. Steve, welcome to FNN.
It's great to be here, Caroline. Thank you.
Now, Steve, can you start by giving us an introduction to Lake Resources?
So Lake Resources, ticker code LKE on the ASX, has actually been around for a number of years. But in November last year, we put a package of exciting lithium projects into the company. These are right in amongst the majors, and they've got both scale and optionality, as well as significant opportunity for growth. The way we see it, there's a deep unlocked value because we've got 3 lithium brine projects and 1 hard rock lithium pegmatite project in the lithium triangle of Argentina. Now, in northern Argentina and Chile, this is where half the world's lithium comes from. And our projects are right next door to the majors. We're moving towards a drill program. There's going to be a significant amount of news flow that's going to unlock that value. And I think we can see significant upside for the company.
And Steve, you're just back from Argentina, so can you bring us up to date with your projects?
Yes, so we have, first of all, 3 lithium brine projects. 2 in the far north, next to Orocobre, and 1 in Catamarca province. This one called Cachi is the one we're focusing on at the moment. We're moving to a maiden drill program in a project that's never been drilled before. We recently consolidated the title, more than 50,000 hectares on a 100% basis. And our project is actually nicely located in a basin next to Albemarle, which is the biggest lithium producer in the world. As those results start to flow out through May, June, July, I think we're going to see a significant catalyst to the share price, an uplift, and at the same time we'll be having discussions with potential offtake partners. So there's quite a lot happening. Argentina is really the place to be at the moment. A lot of explorers, a lot of news flow in the lithium sector.
Very good. So what's planned, and are you fully funded for 2017?
Well, fortunately we did a capital raising in February, and that has us funded for this year. But if we moved into a major drill program and needed to upscale, perhaps we could look further at further funding. But at the moment we're funded for everything that we've got planned this year, and that's drilling on the project we're about to start, as well as 1 other. Furthermore, we've got sampling that's underway in our lithium pegmatite project, and we expect some results to be coming out of that. So at the moment we're well set, and we've got a team underway, and we're just going to lock down first of all this drilling and then follow up with some further drilling.
And finally, Steve, what's your priority for the next 6 months and the longer term?
Our main focus, there's a lot of lithium players in the market, and it's difficult to differentiate it yourselves. Our difference is that we have a large package, probably one of the largest in Argentina, and we're amongst the majors. Our aim is to produce results from our lithium brine projects as well as the pegmatites, sufficient so that we can put together a scoping study, an initial resource, and we can continue our discussions with potential offtake partners. I was recently in Asia, and there's a lot of interest in talking to juniors like ourselves and working together to develop these projects, and we just need to produce enough news come in the next few months, and we'll be able to move that forward. It's going to be quite an exciting year. And I think by way of reference, there's a company that recently listed in Toronto in February called LHC. They listed with a market cap 10 times ours, and they have a similar property holding. So I think there's a lot of potential upside, a lot of catalysts to deliver that deep unlock value in Lake.
Steve Promnitz, thanks for the update.
Thank you, Caroline.